Welcome to our second lesson of Facebook, where we are going to learn how to run custom campaigns. So, whenever you log into business.com, business.facebook.com/ad manager, you will see this page, or you can even go to facebook.com and you can simply click on the ad manager. You can see the third link on the left, it's ad manager. You can click on this and you will get into your ad manager page. So this is a basically ad manager dashboard. I'll just close it so there is no duplications. Yeah, so never try to open multiple sessions, otherwise it will confuse you. So this is what you will get when you open a ad manager dashboard. So I'll just quickly review that what are the buttons, and you can actually see it in our handbook. What are the buttons, various buttons and links for. So first of all, this actually the first one shows you that how many ads are open and how many ads are off. So on and off, then campaign name, that you always give a name to the campaign, and then it shows you, is it working or not, is it in draft or review or whatever. Then bid strategy, like how it just gives you automatically a message that you're going low, you are getting very high, it, regarding the bid. So you got to increase the bid so that you get maximum visibility and conversion. Then we have a budget, how much budget you have set. So every ad has to have a budget. Never set an ad with open budget. Otherwise, sometime you will forget and you will miss the dates, and your credit card will keep on charging. So always set up a time that how long, what will be the duration of the ad, and what will be the budget. And then this is an attribution setting. Basically, what happens that if someone comes to the uh, website and he click on it, and then he go back and again he come to the website, so it maintains a 7 day clicks attribution settings. I'll discuss more on this on in our next video. Then we have a results, and Facebook has got different results. You can see here, it's a link clicks, it's a post engagement, is it a message conversion or reach, or there are different results. So whenever you run a campaign, you should always have a reason results in your mind. Then it shows you that what is happening now, how much reach you are getting, how much impression you are getting, what is the cost per results, what is the total amount you spent, when the ad is going to end. And you can keep on adding. There's an option in the column performance, you can keep on adding whatever additional information you require. So this is where you actually customize the column, and you can add some more information you require. For example, if you're running a video ads, you would like to see that how is it going, so you can actually switch it on, and it will actually create a column. And like I'll just switch it on, and it will create a column. See, 2 seconds videos, 2 seconds, how many people are watching, are they watching 2 seconds or more than 2 seconds, or true plays, how many user have actually seen the complete video. So so there are different settings which you can customize based on your requirement. So here we'll quickly create a campaign. On the campaign, you will see there is a three main category, which is awareness, consideration, and conversion. So you have to decide that what kind of campaign you are going to run, and this is something which has been decided in our previous course, which was about social media strategy, where we have actually decided that what kind of campaign we should run. So in this awareness, for example, if I'm running an ad where I'm talking about traffic, so I select a traffic. I just want traffic. I don't want people to just see the ad. I want people actually clicking on the ad and come to the website. But at the same time, I'm not focused on getting or generating the sales. I just want people to come on the website and just see the website, what I offer. So that is called consideration. And then there's another option which is called conversion. In conversion, you can actually set up here like catalog sales. If you just want people to come to the website just to uh, buy something, then you can actually set up your campaign as a conversion, so that your campaign is automatically, the Facebook has got their own artificial intelligence computer system which will then focus that you all your ads will be more focused towards catalog sales. So for now, we are actually going for traffic. We click on the next thing, and you will see that there is a three level of ad management or campaign management process. In the first level, what we need to decide the campaign name. For example, my campaign name is the fresh uh, web traffic, and I just put the name that it's for March 2022. I just set up this campaign. Sometimes they say that you don't need to write the date because you can see the dates on the column, so that's fine. If you don't want to write the dates, that is also fine, not required. So, and we will talk about this other features later on, but for now, just see that the auction type is traffic, and we are going next. In the next, you will basically the first one we call it as a campaign level setting. The second is basically ad level setting. The in ad set, what do you do? That choose where you would like to have a traffic. Like I want the traffic to be on a website. Then secondly, it will ask about the daily budget. I would say my daily budget. I would say like my lifetime budget is say like 1,500 rupees, for instance. Say it's too low. It should be at least 5,000. So let's say I make it 6,000. So why it says that you should at least have a 6,000, because you see you can't run the ads and you have to stop. Your ad should at least go for a month, because as I told you that Facebook has got their own artificial intelligence computer, so it takes like at least 7 to 10 days for the computer to understand that what kind of people are engaging your ads. So then it will show your ads to those people who are engaging with your ads, or who are coming to the websites and they are buying, or who are watching your ads or seeing your ads and they are clicking on it to generate a web traffic. So what we have to understand that we got to give enough time and budget so that we get the best result. Usually what we do is that we set up 500 rupees budget and for 7 days it doesn't work. You should have a proper good budget so that you get a good amount of traffic, and you and the computer get good chance to understand, learn about the audience. Okay, here you can see that how much daily reach you're going to get. So daily I'm going to get 1000 reach, and daily I'm going to get this many clicks, depends on the quality of traffic I'm getting. Then the third thing is about uh, the location. So I would like to change the location. I don't want to make it the entire Pakistan. I would like to make it okay. Now there's another thing. You should always select that people living in this location. I want to show my ad to people living in this location, not people who are just coming for tourists. They would see my ad. I would like to see people who actually are living in the location so that they will buy my product. And for example, I'm running this ad in Pakistan. So there is a place called Boat Basin, Clifton, Karachi. See, it shows here. Yeah, it shows here. And what I want that when I selected it, I also want my ad to be shown on this areas, on defense areas. So I will just pick up the point, pick up the pin, and I'll drop it here. I'll click it here, so it will come here. And I just want that it should be not 10 miles, it should be just 5 miles. Right, so it will be exactly where I want. Even I can go further. Instead of 5 mile, I would like to go for 4 mile. So it will just cover defense and some of Korangi, which I don't want, but it works on, it has got own uh, what you call the location targeting or the radius. So you can't have like you can't make your own outlines. You have to follow the pins, and the pin always go as a square. Maybe there is some outline thing, but I don't have access to that. Maybe it comes with a Prime account, or so I just select my location, and then I select the age and the demography, and finally I select the next. So remember, the first is a campaign level, the second is a ad set level. In ad set level, I select my uh, what name? I say that I'm running a wall. I'm running a local ad with 6K budget. right? So you always select you select the demography and you select the budget on at set level, and then you move to next. So what we did, we select the budget, we select the demography, and we can also select the behavior. So I would like to show this thing to people who play golf, because those are the rich people who eat walnuts and all those special things, right? So I select that thing, I go next, and then it asks you that what are your reference. Facebook. You should always have a Facebook and Instagram account so that your ad can run on both the places. Now it says what is the ad? So I would say walnut 50 off. I'm running this ad, right? And create the ad, use existing post. I would like to use maybe any of the existing post. So I select one of the post. For example, I select my one of the post here, right? And my call to action is shop now. Okay. And yeah, that's it. So your ad is ready and you can just publish it and it will be published. So and you can also set up your URL parameter so that you can see in the pixel that where you're getting the traffic from. Yeah, so you can set up this URL and it will show you where the traffic is coming from and you publish it. So it will publish your ad and it will confirm you that the ad has been published, and this is it. Okay, it's completed. And you can once it's done, it's always in process and it will take time to get done, and when it is done, it will this will become active. That's all for today. Thank you very much.